Okay, example 3 is pretty much the same as example 2, so we're going to jump on down to example 4 and talk about it for a bit, and then take a look at example 5. So example 4, they want us to find the limit as h approaches 0 of e to the h minus 1, all that over h, and they want us to show. They want us to verify numerically. Oh, whoops, wow. Okay, so they want us to verify this numerically. So show that that limit is actually 1. So what I need to do, we're looking at h approaches 0. I need to see what, as h approaches 0 from the left, and as h approaches 0 from the right, I need to figure out what is the value of this part here as h approaches 0 from the left and h approaches 0 from the right. So if you approach 0 from the left, I'm going to use numbers like negative 0.001, negative point, maybe 3 zeros and a 5, negative 0.345 zeros and a 1. So this is getting closer and closer and closer to 0 from the left. And when I approach 0 from the right, I'll use kind of the same numbers, but the positive values. So 0.001, then 0.0005, then 0.000001. What I'll do is I'll type this right here into my calculator as y1, and then I'll use the table to be able to generate these values. So I need e to the h, where we're going to use x instead of h. So e to the x minus 1, all that divided by x. Go to my table and I say, all right, what is negative 0.001? Negative 0.001 is 0.9995. So that is 0.9995. Okay. So I guess we should say this is e to the h minus 1 over h. And out here for each of these values, we'll get the e to the h minus 1, all that over h value as well. So, okay, what is 0.0005? Oops, it needs to be negative. So what is negative 0.0005? And I get that's 0.99975. How about if I do a negative 0.12345 zeros, then a 1? My calculator gives me back 0.99969, and then a 5. So for my, as h approaches 0 from the left, I'm getting closer and closer, it looks like, to 1. So let's see over on this side, as h approaches 0 from the right, what do I get back? So when I put in 0.001, I get back 1.0005. If I put in 0.3 zeros, then a 5, I get back 1.0003. If I put in, let's see, 0.5 zeros, then a 1, I get back 1.12345 zeros, then a 5. So this looks like it's approaching 1. So as h approaches 0 from the left, we're approaching 1. As h approaches 0 from the right, we're approaching 1. So we could say both approach, let's write this way. As h approaches 0 from the left, e to the h minus 1 over h approaches 1. As h approaches 0 from the right, e to the h minus 1 over h approaches 1. So we verified that the limit as h approaches 0 of e to the h minus 1 over h is equal to 1. All right, so that's example 4. We'll stop on this video there, and then we'll do example 5 in its own video.